Nuôi ngắt charot.
Itu miso trong vaklaw. Mayro chu potato squad mi member balian try not to laugh challenge kan daw ti dona. Muna min law ti vema na.
Hey. Oh. Oh hey Oh tu na hey miti ngai lawangin kan laugh kan ti vedona. Miti ngai lawangin.
Miti lâu ngay lâu angin.
Miti ngai lawangin.
Part 1.
Miti law ngai lawangin.
Miti dan angin.
Hey try not to laugh kan ti vedona ni. Chop don ya. Start.
One.
No, tweet.
Bye, Russia! Yo, the superheroes! Hey. What's up? Damn! You need that mushroom, bro?
Run.
Fucking birthday and everybody forgot. Bet you forgot too, Soggy, didn't you? No, I didn't forget. You're a liar too! Just relax. Oh.
What you doing?
Don't look at it. Look at the top part.
Oh man, you.
Hi, monkey.
Oh, tiga balik ako.
You found your moo. Good job. Where'd that come from?
What's wrong with your sandwich?
What is this? What is this, Morgan? Oh my hot Roblox!
Is it actually true that every guy
Negativity can be like an addiction. Heal it by being positive.
Teacher, he doesn't have a pencil.
I don't give a fuck. Pardon me. Sorry, baby, I'm not you.
Hands are not for hitting. I don't feel. Hey,
Oh, we eat it.
it's hot. Oh, you're so cute, baby. Look how cute.
He is cute. Yo, bro. Did you take the photos I told you to take? Oh, pati lo hermanita.
Nice to meet you. Nancy. Nancy, that's my mom's name. My dad named me after my great aunt who was a slave. Okay, I'm sorry.
Right, tell the camera what you think about life. Like, how do you see life?
Sucks. But I'm playing football right now.
Big black stallion. Do you mind if I just spin you around so that you can move out the way? How you doing?
Get back here! What the hell's wrong with you?
Hi, how are you?
Hey, kid, want some candy?
Superman saves the day again. Please welcome Woodmaster Adam.
How dare we speak Merry Christmas? How dare we? Merry Christmas, everybody.
Artinya I'm protest.
Hell no. The cop's right there.
What the? This is my favorite snack after Bible study.
What a nice, peaceful water slide.
Wala ko.
No, no, no! That's all right.
I can hear that, right?
1.2 billion. So you go ahead and you stack spaghetti sauce at a store and in a supermarket. You control the guy or the woman who brings out the carts on a forklift. What happens?
Your sandal. Where'd it go? Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Honest from Joel. Just give me my money.
Just give me the money. Give me my money.
Okay, guys, let's see into the future.
Secret? Yeah, what's up? I cheated on my girlfriend, bro. Yeah, I got you, bro. I won't tell you. You did not just girlfriend? Hey.
On the way. In Japanese. Me. Mr. White, what would be the first meal that you would feed me? Salad.
I'm going to die in 2 weeks. Oh, very nice.
McDonald's, I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my car to the McDonald's. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. I got the burgers in the back.
Stewie, say hello to your new brothers and sisters.
Hola, Stewie. Ni hao, Stewie.
You ain't even gonna do nothing? Joke's on you, Arlie. I identify as a woman. Oh.
I have a boyfriend.
Run.
Der Weg, den ich auf den Gedanken The Germans are coming.
You want some of this? Please, I'm begging you.
Look. No! No! No, Mama!
I like girls.
So dumb. Look at this. I'm taking a piss. I can literally see over the.
You want to come in?
Number 8.
Driver.
Driver.
Okay.
Number 7. Nokia.
Okay.
Number 6.
Doppelganger.
Doppelganger.
Okay.
Number 3. Singer.
Okay.
Number 2.
Gold digger.
Golden digger. And number 1. Nagger.
Okay.
You can't say I like cops without your lips touching. This is easy. I like hot.
他只是用他脸，跟我脸。